This video covers basic installation details of Thermon's Terminator ZEB beacon. Receiving, storing, and handling. Inspect materials for damage incurred during shipping. Report any damages to the carrier for settlement. Identify parts against the packing list to ensure the proper type and quantity have been received. And store in a dry location. Use the supply dimensions for the Terminator ZEB beacon to ensure adequate space is available for proper installation. The following kit is required for termination and must be ordered separately. Refer to Installation Instructions Form PN 50135-U. These are the recommended tools for installation of the Terminator ZEB beacon. Individuals installing these products are responsible for complying with all applicable safety and health guidelines. Proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, should be utilized during installation. Contact Thermon if you have any additional questions. At the proposed end-of-circuit location, lay out heating cable on pipe, allowing extra cable for the electrical connections. A minimum of 300 mm or 12 inches of heating cable is required for an expansion loop. A minimum of 300 mm or 12 inches of heating cable is required for electrical connection. For zone-type heat tracing with HPT and FP cables, the bus connection should be within 50 mm or 2 inches from the surface of the pipe. Do not exceed heating cable minimum bend radius of 10 mm or 3/8 of an inch at temperatures down to -15 degrees Celsius or 5 degrees Fahrenheit, or 32 mm or 1 1/4 inch at temperatures down to -60 degrees Celsius or -76 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the heating cable at a 45-degree angle to aid in piercing the grommet. If the heating cable is mounted on the bottom of the pipe, punch out the weep hole. Slide the expediter toward the pipe while routing the heating cable through the support base entry. Insert the banding guide in the base and snap into place. Secure the expediter to the pipe using the stainless steel pipe band. Important: do not bend over heating cable. Cut off the end of the heating cable at a 90-degree angle. Leave a minimum of 100 mm or 4 inches for heating cable termination. Terminate the heat trace with the appropriate SCTK termination kit. Refer to the SCTK installation instructions, Form PN 50135-U, for details not addressed here. Remove the ground braid. Push excess cable back through the expediter and tape the cable expansion loop to the pipe. Connect the bus wires from the LED light module and the terminated heat trace using a crimping tool and small crimps. See wiring schematic for wiring details. Snap the crimp insulators into place and then slide the silicone caps over the crimp insulators. Slide the light module cover over the LED light module and engage the threads. Rotate the light module cover clockwise and tighten securely, making sure the latch mechanism is in the locked position. To remove the light module cover, lift the latch mechanism as shown and unscrew. Be sure to de-energize all power sources before opening the enclosure. The light will illuminate when the heat trace circuit is energized. Completed Thermon Terminator ZEB beacon, LED, end-of-circuit light kit. For additional information on this product, visit us on the web at thermon.com.